So in the previous class, children, you have already learned about MS Paint. MS Paint was very loved platform for you. You have learned how to paint, and then you have learned about different tools of paint and the features which are available to make your painting quite interesting, eye-catching. Then I have also taught you how to save and open the documents in MS Paint file. Okay, now moving ahead with the journey, we are talking about what is 2D and 3D. So once you understand what is 2D, what is 3D, we learn a new thing, that is a software called Paint 3D. So in Paint 3D, we'll understand how to draw 2D shapes and 3D shapes. We'll also learn about stickers, adding and deleting the 3D text from your paint screen, and then adding more exciting effects of drawing, and most important feature, that is crop tool and the history tool. So why to wait? Come, let's start the journey. The first question that arises in our mind is, what is 2D and 3D, right? So look at this geometrical shape we have given on the screen. In both these shapes, you could see there is a length, there is a breadth, right? And in this shape also, we have a dimension of, this is called length and the breadth. So when any object, any figure that is drawn on a plane which has only length and breadth, we call that shape as two-dimensional shape, or simply a 2D shape. And when you talk about 3D shape, see, this shape is a bit different from that. Can you see what is the difference? I could see you are nodding your head. Very right. So it has length and breadth, but it also has a height. Similarly, this is a cylinder. Cylinder is formed by a 2D shape that's called circle. So when so many circles pile up together up to certain height, it forms a cylinder. That means when any figure is there which has length, breadth and height, we say it is a three-dimensional or simply a 3D shape. Now another question must be just striking in your mind, that what is the way we could draw these shapes? So here is the solution for you. Yes, we have Paint 3D is a software which is developed by Microsoft Corporation and which is available only in Windows 10, right? It contains both basic and advanced tools which not only help in creating two-dimensional art, but also to create three-dimensional objects. And along with that, it has so many unique features and huge library of 3D objects which you could just pick from that library and make your drawing as per your creativity, right? So let's begin the learning. First thing is how to start Paint 3D. So very simple way is, open your Paint 3D program by just clicking few buttons. Go to Windows option. Here, just type Paint 3D. This is the first thing. You'll find Paint 3D app available here. So click on it, and this is new screen which will be clicked here. Okay, so just 3 steps. First is type Paint 3D, click on the Paint 3D option, and then choose the file that is new. Your new screen will be open where you are ready to work. Okay, now this is the screen that actually opens. I'll be showing you the entire components which are available, and then later I'm going to explain them. So first most thing is the center part of the screen, which we call as canvas. And look, from this left corner, we get a menu here. Then we have brushes. Then we have option of 2D and 3D shapes, followed by stickers. If you want to add some stickers to make your figure attractive, you want some smileys too, and lots many figures are there which are in the form of stickers. And then followed by text. If you want to add some text, you'll click on text. Then we have effects, and this canvas comes from here, right? So shall we begin? Good. Now we come to the next page. I'll tell you what are the uses of each of them. So first one I told you was canvas. Canvas is basically the central area of your application where you will draw the images, the figures, you'll write something, like you are going to bring all your creativity on that plain area, which we call as canvas. After that, we get menu. So menu contains the option which you help you to create a file, and if the file is already created, you want to open it, save it, even when you want to print the file. So all these options are available in menu. Moreover, you can also share your file from this menu. Okay, then we come at brushes. Very, very eye-catching feature, that's brushes, which display unique pens and brushes that mimics the real material which is available for drawing, right? So instead of having a watercolor, crayons, pencil colors, all these things are immediately available to you when you go to brushes. Fine. Then after that, we have 2D shapes and 3D shapes. So 2D shapes are used to draw any two-dimensional shape which comes with the collection of lines and curves tools. Because you can draw lines with the help of line, with the help of curves, any of your two-dimensional shape can be drawn. And when you talk about 3D shapes, it displays the options of creating all 3D objects using doodles and shapes. So I could see you are very excited to use it. Do not get delayed. The moment you understand the concept, just keep on trying. So let's move further. There are stickers, and these are just the fun tags which you can add anywhere on your canvas. It could be placed on the drawing to make your drawing a real fun. It helps you to add the texture to your drawing, right? And moreover, sometimes you want to write some text also by using your keyboard. Then we have an option. Just click on text. This option is used to add text to your particular drawing that's coming on the canvas. And most exciting part is 3D library. So 3D library is the collection of all 3D objects, which could include the animals, dinosaurs, flowers, plants, anything from the nature. A big library is there. Don't forget to explore it. Okay, now we move further and see how to work with the brushes tool. So to work with the brushes tool, I'm going to tell you the steps one after another. Please understand it clearly. That will make your learning a real fun and long lasting. First thing you have to do is click on the brushes option, and there will be a brushes panel that will appear on the right pane. So simply you have to click and select the calligraphy pen. So this icon will be there from the brushes panel. Okay. Then after that, you can change the size of the brush by just dragging it. So you could see so many calligraphy pens are there. And after that, there is a slider. This is a slider which is going to set the thickness of the pen. And this thickness is shown here in the form of pixels. So you could see you can choose any way of writing. Isn't it exciting? Yes. So then after that comes the color choice. There will be a color palette. From the color choice, you'll be choosing the color as per your requirement, as per your liking, and then simply move the pointer to the canvas, press and hold down the left button of the mouse. and just drag and enjoy drawing with the platform 3D. Okay, that's it, and happy learning to you. We are going to meet in the next session. Goodbye.